Hi! In this video, we will quickly answer frequently asked questions about Solar Pool Ionizer by Discover My Store. Does the mineral incorporated in the water of ionizer is safe? Not only are safe, they are recognized as essential mineral for the human body. The concentrations obtained typically correspond to that is permitted by the Environmental Protection Agency for potable water. Our ionizers are also perfect as a control measure for algae and bacteria in pools with fish because they are not toxic for them. How long does our ionizer can work in the normal conditions? Our equipment are designed to last as long as your swimming pool. The control panel are not affected by the use. The electrodes, which are designed to consume with the course of time. They can be replaced as often as necessary throughout the years. Is a requirement that our ionizers remain active at all time? Of course not. It is not necessary, nor desirable, because it would be needlessly wearing the electrodes. The solar ionizer is allowed to float every day, the first weeks, with the objective to obtain the concentration of ions, and then a couple days for weeks to maintain the appropriate level of ions. If the pool is large, or if due to the weather conditions, it was required to addition of water because of the evaporation, it is necessary to keep the ionizer in the water permanently. Swimming with the solar ionizer is perfectly safe and normal. Keep the water crystal clear. Reduce the use of chlorine by as much as 85 to 90% to kill the algae. To buy a Solar Pool Ionizer, click on the link below. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.